Yo, what's up? It's your boy Tyler here. As I said before in a few other videos, I'm living in Portugal right now, so I'm trying to do like more English stuff. Half the time here I'm speaking in English and makes no sense for me to just continue with talking German. And I mean, I don't just start like this, like all my songs are in English, you already know. I hope you all just checked out my album and my music videos. Please check them out. Give it some love, some comments and likes. That would actually means a lot for me. But fuck that topic, let's just go back to the vlog. So I really need to like clear my mind again, and I have 2 days off for work and the work is fucking messing with my head, I'm not gonna lie. Like like this work I'm doing is actually mentally crazy, makes me fucking insane. I want to fucking quit that bullshit. Actually, I will change my project, let's say project. I don't give too much information here because you already know, like, I want my privacy and shit. But I really need to clean my mind at the moment, so I had the idea to just make like a small van trip all alone. I deinstalled Instagram, I deinstalled WhatsApp, so just me, my van and life. The weather is actually perfect for that, and yeah, I will show you my van. I clean it up a bit, it's still messy, but I don't care, like I'm fucking alone, so let me do my thing. Oh, I nearly fell. What the fuck, feels like I'm dying. And here some bottles, I even got my niece giving me. Not my motorcycle. I think that's just too much effort to always like get it out and get it in again for just one weekend, you know. I'm pretty motivated what I will see, and I take you guys with me. I hope you enjoyed the video. And for all the people who want to know, yeah, my voice is fucked up right now because I'm still a bit sick. I was sick the whole week. Yeah, today I hit the fucking gym the first time, so I'm feeling a bit better now. Felt pretty good to be more active again. I'm pretty sure tomorrow will be way better actually, because I'm always at the calm down. But yeah, too much talking right now. Let's just go into it. We will see us in the next shot. Bye. When I see something like this, I'm getting so hyped of riding my Enduro more. Like, there will come a few more videos, I will start riding Enduro. Like, real Enduro. I think I will try to learn it myself, so be stoked. I'm pretty fucking hyped actually. I'm so hyped. Like, here in Portugal are so many nice woods and streets for Enduro riding. Yeah man, I can't wait actually. Look at this. Okay guys, the sun is slowly going down. I stopped here. I found a very nice spot, and yeah, I will show you. Wait a second. Okay, now look at this. It's getting a bit windy. I think I should get my jacket pretty soon, or I'll be more sick tomorrow. But there's one thing I gotta show you. This is actually pretty cool. Like, this is so fucking cool, man. Let's just, what the fuck, like. Just look at this. This is so cool, man. I like that actually. You can enjoy your ride and look at the view here. It's a normal one. I don't even know the English word for that. In Germany we call it Schaukel. Yeah, wait, okay, I gotta try this out. Oh my god, I think I just hope I don't break something. Okay, let's go. Man, now I miss my motorcycle. I should have brought it here, but it wouldn't make sense, to be honest. Okay, let's get a bit higher. Feeling like a little kid. That's a fucking vibe. Bro, you can't even fucking make turns. Like, like what? This is so cool, man. Oh my god. I really think I should take my jacket, then I will cook something, I think, at this spot, and then I will search for a place to sleep, and tomorrow I will go on. But today wouldn't make sense, I think. What the I need it. Okay, I just set up everything. I will make like a super easy quick meal because, as I said, like the sun is almost down, so I gotta be quick and enjoy the view when I can. So here's what I'm cooking. This is like a soup. I don't know actually what it is. I think it's like a tomato soup with like shrimps. I don't know. Yeah, and I will put some chorizo in it. I will shove it with this beautiful AliExpress Damascus knife. Some fior di sal. And yeah, this is some really Portuguese traditional food. I think it's made out of maize, and there are also like little chorizo pieces in it. It's very good, and with the soup it will match perfectly, I guess. Yeah, and that's all it. I will start cooking now and yeah, show you the results. So I'm gonna heat that up now. For now there's just water inside, and yeah, I'm thinking that every time I go out of Lisbon, because I'm living in Lisbon right now. I mean, Lisbon is very beautiful and very nice. The people there are awesome and everything. I really like it there, but every time I go out and see like the real Portugal like this, oh my god, I always fall in love, and I really hope I can manage to move out of Lisbon in a more like calm and green environment like this, because this was actually what I expected before I moved here. This is what I really wanted, and now I'm living in a full city again with thousands of people. The traffics there are totally messy. I know it's just like a real work city, and yeah, of course, I mean, it's Lisbon, of course it's like that, but I don't know, I need the calmness, the empty roads, the woods like here to ride more with my motorcycle, and of course steep hills with no cars driving. And here it's full of empty steep hills, because I really want to do downhill skateboarding again. I really miss it so fucking much. And now I'm in the health system, and the only issue really is that do downhill skating in my area isn't really easy, and of course very, very dangerous. Yeah, I'm not super sad about that or something. I love Lisbon, as I said, and the people there, but yeah, I have to keep going with life, I guess. And yeah, this is also a reason why I do the van trip, because I really want to see more of Portugal, the real Portugal, and yeah, think about where I could move, where I see myself maybe in the future. And yeah, and one thing I can already say, like maybe it will change, but for now I never want to go back to Germany in the future no more. Like fully move, of course, like visiting my family or friends or whatever, but like fully move to Germany, I think it's not a thing for me no more. I hated to live there so much, like really, like so much. I hated everything there. I don't want to go too deeply, but actually everything there was just messing with my head, and I had to go out. I had to do like the escape fucking point. And so many people, this is to everybody right now, because so many people in Germany, like I would say like 70 to 80%, like really, for real. They hate living in Germany because of so many things. And I can relate to everything. And I was the one who really made the turn to say, okay, I will leave Germany, I will buy my van, I will drive out and continue living a happy life, a good life. And everybody now is like, oh, that's so insane, bro, you really did it, you blah blah blah. And like, for real, everyone who sees this right now, if you're not happy with your life and see you got opportunities, take them and do something. Trust me, your life will change when you just do something. And yeah, man, this is, bro, why the fuck am I deep talking so hard with myself right now? I don't fucking know. Like, but I'm so serious. Please make a change. If you're not happy with your life, make a change. Don't be shy, just do it. You will not regret it. Everybody can move to another city and live there and work there. It's so easy. Like, everybody can do this. Why you shouldn't do it? Like, please. I hope the people really get what I want to say right now, because this comes deeply out of my heart. I want everybody to be happy, and you can be happy. You just have to take your opportunities, and that's it. So please, like, I really hope somebody got maybe inspired of that and thinks about, like, not even moving, like in general, making changes, like in a bad relationship, a toxic relationship. It's getting too deeply right now, but I think you know what I'm saying. Like, you have always opportunities, and so you gotta take these opportunities. So please, if you're not happy, do something. I got you, man. If you're fucking down, if you're like in the situation like I was, you can always text me on Instagram or something. Like, I will be there for you, bro. I will always be there for you guys, like, for real. Like, I always communicate with people on Instagram, actually. But that's enough deep talk right now. We will see us when I make the dish and then I will say if I like it or not, like the typical hack-mack fucking vlog shit. I don't know, I mean, it's very hot, you can notice, but it's not like 100% boiling. I don't know if I get it to that point, because it's always so smoky. Maybe I'm just dumb, I don't know. Okay, now I know why it's like smoking. It's because I'm really dumb. Under it there's like an instruction for all of that, and it's just burning. So maybe it will take a bit until it's all burned, and then I can start cooking, but yeah, must be a few minutes, I guess. Okay, it's nearly dark now, but look how beautiful the sky is. And this is like every night nearly in Portugal, always with the purple in it and the super colorful yellow and the smoky kind of blue. This is like nearly every night here. This is so crazy. In Germany, the sky is just fucking cloudy and black every day, and this is so beautiful. Look at this. And you can even see the moon over there. I don't think you can notice in the video, but like, you can see every detail of it. It's actually insane. And my soup is ready, and it starts to cook, as you can see. It turned out pretty thick, but you already know the boy like it thick as fuck, so that's a win-win for me. Okay, I already chopped in the chorizo also, like pieces. Yeah, and yeah, I would say it's time to try. Actually pretty interesting, because you can really taste the shrimps. I've never tried something like this. I mean, there must be tomato in it, but I can really taste it. I don't know. Yeah, but maybe it's because I'm a bit thick, I don't... Did I just say thick? What the fuck? I'm still a bit sick, I don't know. Okay, I will try it with the bread now. Pretty interesting with the mice in it. I think there's not much to say. It's not like the perfect meal, of course, but it's super easy and quick to make. So it's a pretty nice meal, I guess, and especially with the view here. I will shut the camera off now because I really want to eat and feel everything here. And yeah, I think I will quit this vlog now. I will search for a sleeping area after that. And yeah, tomorrow I will take you guys with me again. And I think I will do separate parts. So this is the first part, and yeah, we will see us in the next part. Be sure to subscribe and check out my other stuff. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed. You can leave a comment and a like. I would love to see that. Have a nice day and be safe, guys. We will see us in the next one. Bye.